Let's take a look at these circuits. This time we're supposed to find the resistance in each circuit. Again, we're going to use Ohm's law, but this time Ohm's law for resistance. Resistance is equal voltage over current. R1 is going to be equal V1 over I, because just I is given. If there is no I1, just simply put I, equals 12 millivolts over 3 milliamps is going to give me 4 ohms. Anytime we have the same prefix, we simply cancel this out. Volt divided by amp gives me ohms. 12 divided by 3 gives me 4. This is the value of my resistance in the circuit. Let's take a look at this one. We have R2 equals V2 over I. R2 equals V2 torrevolts over 10 milliamps. R2 is equal 3 kiloohms. Again, even if the numbers are very simple to calculate, please practice your calculator skills. Just divide torr by 10 and press EXP or double E key plus minus 3 because we have milli. We're supposed to divide by 10 and power of 10 to negative 3, and you're supposed to get this answer. Let's take a look at this example. I have to find value of R3. R3 equals V3 over I. R3 is equal V3 120 kilovolts over 60 amps. Again, please notice that we have K. We have 120 EXP on the calculator and 3, because this represents the power of 10 to the third. That's why you are going to have R3 equals 2 kiloohms. And this is the resistance in this circuit.